Do you ever get the feeling that you're not alone? Us too. Spend some time exploring the wildlife and not so wildlife right around your home. Become a citizen scientist and you may be surprised at the variety of life you'll encounter. This week's video is a little different. We've recorded in 360 degrees, so even if you can't explore the world around you, feel free to explore the life you find in this video. The world is an interesting place with lots of things to learn about. We can find out new things about the plants that live right in our own backyard, and maybe even in our own homes. And if you think of exploring nature as a game, even the youngest scientists will be willing to safely explore the habitat around them. Sometimes we miss the things that are all around us, especially when they require closer observation. As a naturalist, you're going to use your senses to become more aware of your surroundings. Think about a tree. If you view it as just a plant, you might miss a world of hidden nature. Make sure to take a closer look. Now, what do you see? Look for spider webs, lizards, whatever catches your eye. Nature is full of plants and animals that leave their mark on the world around them once you learn to look and listen. You might hear the buzzing of bees or the scurrying of a squirrel. But now what? You've made all these great observations. What do you do with them? Your mom and dad might have used something called a field guide when they were kids. Now you can use an app like iNaturalist to take pictures of the flora and fauna you discover. iNaturalist can even give you an idea of what you found based on the picture you took and where you live. With your parents' permission, you can download iNaturalist from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Once you've installed iNaturalist and created your account, it's time to explore. Citizen science is all about being curious and working together with others to make your discoveries. So first, use your device to take images of any wildlife you see. That might be in your yard or around you live. But especially make sure to look inside your home. Once you've made an observation, make sure to join the Citizen Science Project Never Home Alone, the wildlife of homes. To add your images to the more than 10,000 pictures of home wildlife that have already been submitted, you'll be doing your part to help other scientists understand the great indoors. To learn more about iNaturalist or the Never Home Alone project, visit the links in the description below. And remember, a good scientist always keeps track of their observations. Keep exploring!